So exercise 4.2 in the determinants using the properties of determinants. 8th bit second problem you see here. The question is given to you that in the 1 1 1 A B C A cube B cube C cube 1 1 1 A B C as a rows A cube B cube C cube. So whenever you see here this type of the questions, find asking you to find out 1 1 1 A B C A cube B cube C cube, and this is equals to, it is asking to you to prove this one is equals to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C, isn't it? A minus B into B minus C into A plus B plus C is asking you to prove. So whenever you see the 1 1 1 in any determinant of the matrix, whenever you see 1 1 1, better you plan to make it these elements are any two elements of the matrix 0, and it is asking to you to prove A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C. This is the question asking to you to prove, isn't it? So A minus B आना है, तो A minus B, तो this minus this करो इसको, B minus C आना है, this minus this करो, C minus A आना है बोल के A minus A नहीं कर सकते. So we can do the row transformations or column transformations. Our main motto is to make this as a 0, this as a 0. Whenever you are having any matrix, if you are having any matrix like this, to find out the determinant, the easiest way, if you want directly, you can take into consider and you can proceed. But here, when you are applying the properties of the determinants, so better you apply the transformations. Sorry, R1. This minus this you have. This one I am going to make it as a 0. A minus B ana. So a column 1 minus column. Column 1 tends to column 1 minus column 2. And column 2 tends to column 2 minus column 3. These two transformations, whenever I am applying, then automatically the determinant value will not change. The value of the determinant will not change. So what you will get here, C1 tends to C1 minus C2. C1 minus C2 means ये 0 हो जाएगा. This becomes A minus B. This becomes A cube minus B cube. Here it is becomes 0. And this becomes B minus C. This is B cube minus C cube. 1 C cube. Column 3, I am not changing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what to do here? Whenever you observe that A cube minus B cube formula, you need to know that A cube minus B cube is equals to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Or you can write it as, because A minus B, you can write this as A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So in this A minus B is there, here A minus B is there here. So A minus B you can take common from the first column. तो 0 हो गया, इधर 1 हो गया. This what it becomes? If you get confused, you increase the one more step directly. Instead of taking, you can increase the one more step. You can write it as a 0 A minus B. Here A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Here 0 B minus C, B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square. 1 C cube. Now you see here from the first column A minus B, from the second column B minus C can be taken common. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So from the first column I am taking A minus B. So A minus B. Second column B minus C. Then this determinant of the matrix will transform into 0, 1. Here we are going to get A square plus AB plus B square. Here it is 0, 1, B square plus BC plus C square. 1 C C. Now you can find out the determinant of this matrix. You can find out the determinant of this matrix along the first row, because first row is containing the more number of the zeros. Expanding along the first row. If you expand along the first row, what do you get here? A minus B into B minus C into 1, this 1 into this one minus this one. So B square plus BC plus C square in the brackets minus A square plus AB plus B square. Just one algebraic expression you are going to get, and that algebraic expression you need to simplify it. That algebraic expression you need to simplify it. So how do we simplify it, that algebraic expression? Let us see here. So we need to get here A minus B into B minus C. Algebraic expression simplification only here. A matrices, in this matrix, matrices से ज़्यादा algebraic expression concept only more. Okay. So what do you do? Wherever up to here, most of the students will get an idea. So then after only, most of the students will get stuck. So it is not from the back to front you can come. If you are you need to get this one as an answer. You keep that one in your mind. So C into A plus B plus C minus A into A plus B plus C. So this you can write it as a AC plus BC plus C square. So all the minus whatever you are having. See here, AC plus BC plus C square. And minus A square in the brackets if you write plus AB plus AC. So how do we get? You have to expand it. These values, these things we need to get it. So whenever you expand it, what are the things extra we are getting here? See here, AC है इधर, AC भी है, but इसमें AC नहीं दिख रहे हैं, तो AC add करना पड़ता है and subtract करना पड़ता है, so that the problem becomes convenient to us to take into the required thing. So what do you get here? B square plus BC plus C square minus A square minus AB minus B square. Actually, B square will get cancelled. Then after only most of the students will get stuck. It's not a very difficult task for you to do. Just in the place of the B square, in the place of the B square, if you write AC, because AC we are getting AC plus BC plus C square minus A square minus AB minus AC. Here what I did here, just added AC and subtract. Why? Because this expression we need to get. To make the our simplification in easiest ways, from this you can take the C common. From this you can take the A common. So what do you get here? A minus B into B minus C into, I'm taking C common, so A plus B plus C we will get, minus A common, so A plus B plus C I will get it. Actually, whenever you directly, if you are taking B square will get cancelled, but in the place of the B square, I am writing AC adding and AC subtracting. There will be a multiple ways to do this solution. Doesn't matter that only in this way you need to do. Okay. So what you will write here, A plus B plus C can be taken common. A minus B into B minus C into A plus B plus C. If you take the common, C minus B. This is the required solution for the given problem. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, but the board is not clear, so
बोर्ड नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है.
No, sir. The only your words we heard.
So if board is not visible, then it's a little bit difficult as for you to understand.
Sir, will you post it? Will you posted it in YouTube?
But if it is not clear to anyone.
Sir, for me it is not clear. I don't know about other.
Karmita, Isha, Nalika,
No, sir, it's not clear.
that means the network problem is here only. The problem is here only, I think so. Okay, I'll try to rejoin again once again so that it becomes clear. Now is it visible?
Slightly better, sir, but not visible. It's not clearly visible, sir.
Okay, I'll try to continue. It's not visible to you.
No, sir.
If not visible, then it is a really okay. Through the presentation, I'll try to explain to you. It is clearly visible.
Yes, sir.
Paramita.
Maybe.
It is visible, sir.
Okay, okay. If it is visible, then I'll continue. So here, once again, I'll explain to you. See here, whenever you are taking into consider the problem which contains the 1 1 1, if it not contains the 1 1 1 also, you need to make the problem to bring 1 1 1. So then after the next step is to make the other these two numbers zeros or any two numbers zeros in that particular row or column. One row should be one row or one column should make it as one. So in that process, the remaining things are very simple here. I have taken a minus b. Here a minus b we are getting, b minus c we are getting. Here a cube minus b cube minus c cube. A cube minus b cube is expanded, b cube minus c cube is expanded, and a minus b is taken common from here. First row, first column, second column, b minus c is taken common. So then we are going to get here one, and here this is left over, this is left over. Next thing is that expanding along the first row. Expanding along the first row, whenever you take this into this one, b square plus bc plus c square minus a square plus ab plus b square. Here only the most of the students will get stuck. The problem is actually our answer you need to keep in your mind. आंसर को थोड़ा दिमाग में रखना है. सो दिस सी माइनस ये हमको आना है, ये तो आ गया है, तो इसको एक्सपैंड करके देखो, पता चलता है बैक साइड फ्रॉम द बैक. इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग. We need to get that expression, the particular expression. So AC we are getting here, AC we are getting. So AC is not there. When you expand this one, b square is getting cancelled. In the place of that b square, AC I am writing here, AC subtracting these two. And now if C is taken common, A is taken common, and automatically we'll get the solution for this. Okay. So this is in the same pattern. 10th question, whenever you see the 10th question. 10th question I'm going to explain to you. Huh? 10th and 11th. The question is given to you. X plus 4, 2x, 2x, okay, x plus 4 is taken as a diagonal, and 2x, 2x the remaining places, and 5x plus 4, okay. 10th bit, first one. X plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. The determinant of this one is equals to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. This is asking you to prove. Okay. So in this situation, whenever you observe properly, you see here, if you add all this, automatically 5x plus 4 you are going to get it. Or if you add like this problem can be done in two ways. Two ways means both are same only, not different. R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3, or C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3, whatever it may be. Either 3 rows you have to add or 3 columns you have to add and replace by the any one. So that we are going to get one column completely or one row completely same. That is 5x plus 4. Observation only this is. Sir, how do we get that one? Very simple. ये तीनों को ऐड करो, तीनों को ऐड करो, तीनों को ऐड करो. Then we are going to get it. Our rows, if you are these three, if you are adding column we are adding column 1, column 2, column 3. If you this, if you are add also the same thing you are going to get. So I am going to write R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So row 1 I am changing. Row 1, this one. So row 1 I am changing by adding this. So we are going to get this is 5x plus 4. This is 5x plus 4. This is 5x plus 4. So the remaining two rows will be as it is. Okay. Now what do you get here? 5x plus 4 should be taken common, obviously. Again, this problem became like a previous problem. What to do? Can anyone say? इसको दिन दोनों को जीरो करना है. ये दोनों को जीरो करने के लिए ये माइनस ये करो, ये माइनस ये करो. So C1 tends to C1 minus C2, C2 tends to C2 minus C3. So what do you get here? 5x plus 4 into C1 I am changing by subtracting this 0. 2x minus x minus 4. So what do you get? 2x minus x minus 4. So x minus 4 I will get. 2x minus 2x, 0 I will get. Here this minus this, 0. C2 also I am changing. X plus 4 minus 2x. X plus 4 minus 2x is nothing but minus of x minus 4. Yeah, 4 minus x you will get here actually. Minus x plus 4. You will get minus x plus 4. This minus this if you have to do it. So whenever you do, you are going to get it as a x minus this minus this, x minus 4. And here 1, 2x, x plus 4. Expand along the first row. Expanding along the first row. So what I will get here? 5x plus 4, 1 into the product of these two. X minus 4 into x minus 4. Minus will be there in the formula. And if you write here, this can be written as minus of x minus 4 now. So that minus and this minus will become the plus, and here x minus 4 I am doing. Isn't it? No, it's wrong. When you multiply this with this, 0 we are going to get. This part we are going to get it 0. So here we are going to get x minus 4 whole square. But in the question it is given 4 minus x whole square. X minus 4 whole square or 4 minus x whole square whole square. So you are going to get it as a x minus 4 whole square. If you want, you can write it as a 4 minus x whole square also. Because a minus b whole square is equals to b minus a whole square. Square hai na? Is it clear to you? in the same way, the next problem also, 10th question, second problem also you can solve in the same way. Let us move to the 11th question. 11th question, let us solve it now. Okay. Did you understand this one? Did you understand? Board is visible to you or not? Anyone please respond. Yes. Okay. So in this 10th question, there is a one more question also is there. That question same as it is here, in the same way, in the what way you did it, in the same way only how to simplify it. So let us move to the 11th question. The question number 11th, first one. In this 11th, first one is given to you. A plus A minus B minus C. A minus B minus C. 2A, 2B. 2A, 2B. No, 2A, 2A is given. B minus C minus A. B minus C minus A. Here 2B, here 2B. Here C minus A minus B. 2C, 2C. This is. So asking to you to prove this one is equals to A plus B plus C whole cube. It is equals to A plus B plus C whole cube is asking to you. So whenever you see, observe that sorry, mic off over here. So now here what to do here? This is equals to A plus B plus C whole cube we need to prove. Okay. So to prove that one, whenever you observe that, you don't try to add the columns, try to add the rows. R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So what do you get? This one plus this one plus this one. Here 2B, 2C is there. Here minus B, minus C. Then whenever you apply that one, here this first you are going to get A plus B plus C. And this one also you are going to get A plus B plus C. Here also you are going to get A plus B plus C. The remaining 2B, B minus CA, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. So what to do here? From the first row, we need to take the A plus B plus C common. So when from the first row, see in the process of taking this common, most of the students will habituate to take the common in matrix also. No, whenever in the matrix, suppose if one matrix is given to you here, 2, 4, 6, 1, 5, 7, 13, 14, 12, like this. From the first row, 2 is common, 2 I can take the common. This is matrix. In the matrix, you are not supposed to take the common. Determinant only. To take the common in the matrix, every element should be the multiple of that particular number. Okay, that is the difference between these two. In case of the determinant only, you can take the common like that. As we are finding the determinants, here we are doing like that. 2b, b minus c, a, here 2b, here 2c, here 2c, c minus a minus b. Now what to do? Similar model problem. This we have to make 0, this we have to make 0. So that the problem becomes easy. To make this one as a 0, see all the problems are having the similar model little bit. This to make the 0, C1 tends to C1 plus C1 minus C2. C1 tends to C1 minus C2. C2 tends to C2 minus C3. So what do you get here? Which is equals to, this becomes, sorry, A plus B plus C will be there. A plus B plus C. Now what do you get here? This becomes 0. This minus this. This minus this. So what do you get? Minus B. 2B minus B. B hoga. And here plus C plus A hoga. B plus C plus C. This minus this becomes 0. Now here from this becomes 0. This minus this. 2B, B minus C minus A minus 2B. तो minus of A plus B plus C हो जाएगा. This minus this whenever you, what I will get? 2C minus C. C होगा. C plus A plus B. 1, 2B, C minus A minus B. Now what you have to do here in this situation? Don't expand, you can expand it along the first row. When you expand along the first row, you can expand. Otherwise, first column say A plus B plus C common. Second column say A plus B plus C common. Again, the same thing is going to happen here when you do like that. A plus B plus C into expanding. If you want, you can write here expanding along R1. So what do you get here? 1 into product of these two. That is nothing but A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C minus plus 0, because the product of these two. Expanding along first row means this row and column is deleted. So why don't we take this and this? 0 into something will become 0. 0 into something will become 0. When you continue like that. Okay. So what do you get here? This is A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C whole square. So which is equals to A plus B plus C whole cube. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Same way, next question is just 2z is given, x plus y plus 2z is given to you. What you have to do in that situation? Columns add karo. In that situation, the question whatever it is given, x plus y plus 2z. So the question is given to you. Second one, x plus y plus 2z, x and y, z, y plus z plus 2x, y, z, x, z plus x plus 2y. Here y and y. Here x and x, here z and z. So, yes, if you add this, if you add this, x plus y plus 4z हो जाएगा. X plus y plus 4z. No, it is not the correct way. We need to prove this one 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. And this is the solution we need to prove. So for that, you add this one, this one, this one. So what you'll get here? 2x plus 2y plus 2z. We are going to get 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Means column 1 tends to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. This add कर लिया तो 2 times of x plus 2z आएगा. ये common लेते. What do you get? 2 times of x plus y plus z common हो जाएगा. Here 1 1 1 and some elements you are going to. Then in that case, you try to make this as the zeros or these two as any two ones as the zeros. Then you are going to get the required answer. Did you understand? Okay, you can leave. Parmita, Samar, Devya. समर कौशल सूत्रधार. Samar, please leave the class. Samar.